In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Yoast SEO for WordPress. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into Yoast.com. You can find right there their actual site and you can explore their premium plans, but you can also download the free version available. When you click on this, this will actually download right here this particular zip file that you can upload directly on your WordPress. Next, you need to head over to wordpress.com and you should be able to find right here your actual site. You can create one if you haven't one yet, or you can also just log in if you already have an account. Since I already have one, here is what it looks like onto my case. Now, once you're in there, next thing you need to do is just need to actually head over to the plugins tab right here. Scroll onto the left sidebar, click on plugins, and then this will load your plugins marketplace. You can already see right here that we have the Yoast SEO Premium. Alternatively, you can search right here for Yoast because we also have another plugin for free. We have this Yoast SEO, which is free. We also have this Yoast Duplicators as well as a lot of options. So click on this Yoast SEO, which is free, and after that, click on this Upgrade and Activate. Doing this will actually enable you to install this plugin directly into your WordPress if you have it enabled and if you have on actual plan or business plan that we have right there. Head over and activate this, and you can head over and set it up once it's been installed. Once it's been installed, you can find it right here under your left sidebar. You can just set it up as usual as any other SEO plugins by defining your meta descriptions, keywords, and your goal. You should be able to find right there an actual goal set as well as checklist on how to actually set up your SEO site with this in order to be more discoverable into the actual search engine. So head over and then set it up for this case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.